Бүрэн зохион байгуулагч би урлаг спортын наадмын спортын төдлийн нээлттэй үйл ажиллагаа эхлэхэд бэлэн боллоо. Тэнцвэрийн ерөнхий шүүгч, Монголын үндэсний загсан бөмбөгийн холбооны шүүгч Эрдэнэт.
Багт амирчид сайн байцгаана уу? Мэдээлэл боны сүлжээ төрийн өмчт компани үүсгэн байгуулагдсан би 10 жилийн ойн мэдээлэл харилцаа холбооны салбарын 95 жилийн ойн салбарын спортын тэмцээнд хүрэлцэн гэсэн багт амирчид та бүхэнд энэ өдрийн мэндийг хүргье. 2007 онд мэдээлэл боны сүлжээ гэдэг төрийн өмчт компани байгуулагдсанаас өдөө 10 жилийн хугацааг өнгөрчээ. Манай компани тамирч инженер техникийн ажилчдын нийгмийн байдал спортын эрүүл мэнд бие тамирын одоо бэлэн байдлыг хангахын тулд бид нар жил бүр одоо спортын тэмцээн зохион байгуулдаг байгаа. За 5 жил тутамд бүс нутагт одоо бүс нутгийн амарсан одоо нэгдсэн тэмцээн зохион байгуулдаг байгаа. Тэгэхээр энэ жил бол одоо энэ тэмцээн маань компани 10 жилийн ойдоо давталж байгаараа онцлог байна. Бид компани 10 жилийн ой хүрээнд олон арга хэмжээг зохион байгуулж байгаа. Урлагийн тэмцээн, за спортын тэмцээн, за 2016 оны туршид бол бид олон арга хэмжээг төлөвлөсөн байгаа. 2015 оны 12 сард бид дөрвөн бүсэд бол энэ спортын тэмцээнийг бол амжилттай зохион байгуулсан. За энэ тэмцээнд бол манай тамирчид, манай газрууд бол тамирчтай сайн бэлтгэж, сайхан зохион байгуулж оролцсон байгаа. Тэгээ энэ тэмцээнд одоо шалгарсан тамирчид та бүхэн хэмжээ орон зохиолсон байна. Тэмцээн маань нийт 3 өдрийн туршид спортын дөрвөн төрөлд тамирчид маань хурд хүч, ахаад самбагаа сорж тэмцэлтэн. Тэгээд энэ тэмцээнд манай тамирчид бол шудраг сайхан өрсөлдөж, хүчээ шахаж одоо өрсөлдөө гэдэг миний бие одоо ихтэй байна. Ингээд та бүхэнд спортын өндөр амжилт хүсье. За үндсэн сүлжээний газар ажиллаж байсан манай Баяр Жаргал гэж ахмад тамирчин байдаг. За энэ хүн маань манай компанийг төлөөлж салбарын болон улсын тэмцээнд удаадараа оролцож олон сайхан амжилтыг гаргаж ирсэн хүн байгаамаа. Тэгээ энэ хүнд Монгол улсын олимпийн хорооноос алтан медаль шагнасан байна.
like it. I love it, love it, love it. So good it hurts. I don't want it. I gotta have it. When I can't find the words, I just go. I don't like it. No, I love it. I don't like it. No, I love it.
All out, turn the beat up. Hey, now I'm glad to meet ya. Turn up, girl, blow the speaker. Yeah, think about it now, blow the speaker. I'll speak louder, let's get wild tonight. Billionaire bottles, we just down. I'm like, ain't no problem, all my wrongs are right. Alright, alright, I don't like it, I love it. I got another coming in my budget. I got an anaconda in my trusty. Don't push it, cause I'ma hit it till I jackpot. That's right, wax on, baby, wax off. Act right, we can put it on the black card. All night and I'll spend it, cause
I don't like it. I love it, love it, love it. So good it hurts. I don't want it. I gotta have it. When I can't find the words, I just go. I don't like it. No, I love it. I don't like it. No, I love it.
all night, let me groove ya. Dance to be turned down for who, girl? Another round to help us step the moves up. Yeah, but that round need a measurement ruler. Celebrate life and I'll pay for it. Like a body nice next to my tongue for it. Yeah, party all right, let's all aboard. Let's all aboard, all aboard. I don't like it, I love it. And the other girls, they can't touch it. Competition, that's a whole nother subject. I wanna walk it out in public. You a star, baby, just know. Let's go to the mansion or the condo. That's so perfect time, gotta let it flow. You know I'm watching, cause
I don't like it. I love it, love it, love it. So good it hurts. I don't want it. I gotta have it. When I can't find the words, I just go. I don't like it. No, I love it. I don't like it. No, I love it.
meet me at the studio. Make a rain just like Rufio. Feel the bass, let your booty go. I wanna get inside it. Run away for a few days. Think about love, baby, touche. Tied up like a shoelace. I don't like it, I don't like it.
I don't like it. No, I love it. I don't like it. No, I love it. I don't like it. No, I love it. I don't like it. No, I love it. I love it. I'll be your light, your match, your burning sun. I'll be the bright and black that's making you run. And we'll feel alright, we'll feel alright. 'Cause we'll work it out, yeah, we'll work it out. Now we're doing this, if you have a doubt. Till the love runs out, till the love runs out. I'll be your ghost, your game, your stadium. I'll be your 50,000 clapping like one. And I feel alright, 'cause I worked it out.
favorite sport. I like the way they dribble up and down the court. I keep it so fresh on the microphone. I like no interruption when the game is on. I like slam dunk to take me to the hoop. My favorite play is the alley-oop. I like the pick and roll. I like the give and go. And it's basketball. Bow wow, let's go. All around the world. Yeah, to the beach, y'all. In my hands, ain't no telling what I'm gonna do with it. When I got possession, I'ma act a fool with it. I might cross you up and fake one way, turn around and hit you with the MJ fade away. I'm throwing down passes like J Kidd, taking cats to the rack and I'm dunking on them like C-Mac. When I'm in the plane, I play with that Lonzo style. I'm like Darius, cause I can
Don't too many players get offers like me. I'm back and forth unlikely. Shake the checks off your Nikes. They almost had me in a suit at the draft, cause it looked like a free throw when I be shooting from half. The first step like Iverson, blow past you. Usually nothing but net, but I could go blast too. When I'm in the paint, the defense so shook, they don't know if I'ma put up a slow hook or dish off for no look. See, my game consists of a whole lot of moves you would think I learned from the Harlem Globetrotters. JD gon' lead us to a ring. Fab and Bow Wow's the only players that make cheerleaders wanna sing. Yeah, put it up, put it up, put it up, put it up now. Put it up, put it up, put it up now. Put it up, put it up, put it up now. Yeah.
Tell me, were you in the joint the night MJ scored 63 points when the Lakers won titles back to back? Didn't give nobody no kind of slack. When Vince Carter came, stuck his arm in the rim, everybody went crazy in the whole damn gym. Dikembe Mutombo standing tall, playing D with desire. It's basketball. Sing. All around the world. Put it up, put it up, put it up now.
Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Me get up, thrift shop, hip strut walking, a little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious, somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, y'all can't copy yet. Bad moonwalking, and this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway, and we did it all way. Chrome music, I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, on my INDEPENDENT shit hustling. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin'. Halfway across that city with the back question. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country.
Can we go back? This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Can we go back? This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Nah, can I kick it? Thank you. Yeah, I'm so so damn grateful. I grew up really wanna go fronts, but that's what you get when Wu-Tang raised you. Y'all can't stop me. Go hard like I got an 808 in my heartbeat. And I'm eating at the beat like it gave a little speed to a great white shark on Shark Week. Wow, time to go up, gone. Deuces goodbye. I got a world to see. And my girl, she wanna see Rome. Caesar make you a believer. Nah, I never ever did it for a throne. That validation comes from giving it back to the people. Now sing this song and it goes like, raise those hands, this is our party. We came here to live life like nobody was watching. I got my city right behind me. If I fall, they got me. Learn from that failure, gain humility, and then we keep marching.
And we go back, this is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Go back, this is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
So we put our hands up. So we put our hands up.
Let's go. And all my people say, that's right. And all my people say, and all my people say, let the night come before the price won. Some might run against the test, but those that triumph embrace the fight, cause the fear's there to prove that courage exists. Come on, now let the night come before the fight's won. Now some might run against the test, but those that triumph embrace the fight, cause the fear's there to prove that courage exists.
PL in the building. Oh, I'm in the zone, man. Yeah.
Now tell me who can stop me. I'm in the zone. Competition's none in a league of my own. All about the W. I'ma bring it home when it's over with. I'ma be the king of the throne. Now who can stop me? I'm in the zone. Competition's none in a league of my own. All about the W. I'ma bring it home when it's over with. I'ma be the king of the throne. I'm in the zone. Look, I'm in the zone. The competition whack. Tell them let's get it on. My hustle game crazy and I'ma finish strong. You threw up so many bricks, you probably could build a home. I done came a long way. This is what the grind make. Everybody want to shine, don't know what the shine take. You mad that I'm playing? Call it sideline. Hey, it ain't over till it's over. Buzzer be the mind state. If I ain't in the zone, then what you call this? They ask me how I do it. I tell them all wrist. Why y'all miss? I could probably do a backflip, fade away, and still watch the ball switch. Camera flash when I step up to the podium. Haters looking salty, easy on the sodium. You should plan to lose if you thinking about folding them. Even with a joystick, it's still no control. No can stop me. I'm in the zone. Competition's none in a league of my own. All about the W. I'ma bring it home when it's over with. I'ma be the king of the throne. Now who can stop me? I'm in the zone. Competition's none in a league of my own. All about the W. I'ma bring it home when it's over with. I'ma be the king of the throne. I'm in the zone. And you can't take me out of that. At the top now, but the bottom's where they found me at. So if I'm down, it's facts. I'm like Dennis Rodman with the rebound when it come to bouncing back. It's like the
Kings at the draft and I'm 23. I'm Mike with it, I feel bad for who checking me. Passed in ahead of B, that you can never be. All about the W like after the letter V. They say they win, but I ain't heard of them cats. And since we talking about a winner, I am certainly that. AA, came to play, but now I'm turning them back. Them boys low, I'm where retired jerseys be at. Just look up, my kicks lace, my team strong. They sleeping on me, dream on. They know I ain't stopping until the ring's on. Hey, look, I'm headed for greatness, and it's not team song. Stop me, I'm in the zone. Competition's none in a league of my own. All about the W, I'ma bring it home. When it's over with, I'ma be the king of the throne. Now who can stop me? I'm in the zone. Competition's none in a league of my own. All about the W, I'ma bring it home. When it's over with, I'ma be the king of the throne. I'm in the zone, in the zone, in the zone.
Would you feel sorrow, show love, or would it matter? Could never be the leader or batter. Everything shit for me to feed off. I'm seesaw battling, but there's way too much at stake for me to be fake. There's too much on my plate. I done came way too far in this game to turn and walk away and not say what I got to say. What the fuck you take me for? A joke? You smoking crack? Before I do that, I beg Mariah to take me back. I get up before I get down, run myself in the ground before I put some whack shit out. I'm trying to smack this one out the park. 5,000 mark. Y'all steady trying to drown this shark. Ain't gonna do nothing but piss me off. Lid to the can of whip ass, just twist me off. See me leap out, pull a piece out. Fuck shooting, I'm just trying to knock his teeth out. Fuck with me now, bitch, to see you freestyle. Talk is cheap, motherfucker, if you really feeling froggish leap. Yo, Slim, you gon' let him get away with that? He tried to play you, you can't let him skate with that. Man, I hate this crap, this ain't rap, this is crazy the way we act when we confuse hip-hop with real life when the music
getting
stops.
rid of McVeigh. If so, you would've tried. The only way I'm leaving this bitch is suicide. I have died clinically. I ride back at my enemy's crib with Hennessy. Got drunk, then I finished it. I'm every nigga's favorite arch enemy. Physically fitted to be the most dangerous nigga with beef. I spark willingly with a Dillinger in the dark diligently. I'm not what you think. I appear to be fucked up, mentally endangered. I can't stay away from a razor. I just want my face in the paper. I wish a nigga had a grenade to squeeze tight to awake neighbors for acres. I murder you. I gauge you how me turn into a madman. Son of Sam, bitch, I'm surgical. I'm allergic to dying. You think not? You got balls? You can see how large when the music sounds.
Until it first. Thought money would make me happy, but it only made my pain worse. It hurts when you see your friends turn your back on you, dog, and you ain't got nothing left but your world and your bars, and you stress from the calls of your new friends, begging with their hands out, checking for your record when it's sale, when it ain't. That's the end. No laughs, no friends, no girls, just the gin you drink till your car spin you dead. You slam into the wall and you fall out the car and try to crawl with one arm. I'm about to lose it all in a pool of alcohol. If my funeral's tomorrow, wonder what they even call when the music
Let's see how many of your men loyal. When I pull up looking for you with a pistol, sipping a can of Pennzoil. I'm revved up. Who said what when lead bust? Your head just explode with red stuff. I'm handcuffed, tossed in the paddy wagon.
Медведчугийн шилжээ төрөмжлөх компани 10 жилийн хойно Мэдээлэл харьцааны салбарын 95 жилийн хойно тэмцээн сайхан болж өсөж байна. Юуны өмнө энэ тэмцээнд ажилтаа орсон баг тамирчдаа халуун бай үргье. Тэмцээн 3 өдрийн турш амжилттай сайхан болж өндөрлөө. Манай орон нутгаас ирсэн тамирчид болон төвийн тамирчид шудраг сайхан өрсөлдөж өрсөлдөө. За тэмцээний үеэр манай хүчний дэмжигч болон үдгчдийг шуугуулсан олон сайхан тэмцээн болж өнгөрлөө. Тэгээд энэ тэмцээнд 1-2 дугаар танигдсан баг тамирчид болон энэ баг тамирчдыг бэлдсэн салбарын даргаар дасгалж байгаагчдад бүгдэнд нь баярыг хүргье. Спортын наадмыг 5 жил тутамд өссөн байдлаар бидний зохион байгуулдаг энэ тэмцээнийг бид 2 удаа зохион байгуулж байгаа. Энэ тэмцээн одоо бид цаашдаа энэ тэмцээний давтамжийг одоо бас гомдсож чиглэлээр ажиллах гэж бодож байгаа. За компани зүгээс нийтийн биеийн спортыг хөгжүүлэх чиглэлээр олон арга хэмжээ авахар бид нар бас цааш хөдөлж ажиллаж байгаа. Бид үүнээс гадна мэрэгжлийн тамирчдаа бэлтгэл сургалтаа сайн хийж салбарын тэмцээн болон улсын тэмцээнд оролцох спортыг компани зүгээс цаашдаа анхаарч болно. Энэ таамаглалын бодлого таамаглал салбарын тэмцээн болон өмнөд одоо манай тамирчид сайн сургалтаа хийх ёстой. Бид энэ 95 жилийн аврах болгоо гэхдээ байгаа шүү тамирчдаа. Бид дөрөв бүс одоо тамирчтай хувааж энэ тэмцээний зохион байгуулж байгаа орон нутгийн газрын дарга болон одоо бүсийн тамирчтай хэлэх энэ тэмцээний тухайн бүсүүдтэй бас ингээд жил бүх зохион байгуулж бас энэ тамирчид тэрхүү одоо энэ бэлтгэл сургалтыг сайн хийж байгааг би захиж хэлхийг хүсэж байна. Ингээд та бүхэн спортын амжилт цаашд нь амжилт хүсье. Эрүүл бид харуулхаа оршноо.
Алтын эртеген өргөж алах сайхан нүдүндээ баярын үлэмстэй зогсон тавик нийтгэлийг алдаагүй тамирчны ялалт хямдхан алдаагүй тавик нийтгэлийг алдаагүй тамирчны ялалт хямдхан алдаагүй Армандулсан Эрцэргийн эзэдмэн Одон ави хүмүүдийн Одон болж гөлзаараа Тавик нийтгэлийг алдаагүй Тамирчны ялалт хямдхан алдаагүй Тавик нийтгэлийг алдаагүй Тамирчны ялалт хямдхан aldaaгүй Явахын хүслээж үлсээ Ярвалтрын шухайлын Чамайг дөрүүлсэн ардынхаа Тэндэн сэтгэл мөнхрөөрэй Тавик нийтгэлийг алдаагүй Тамирчны ялалт хямдхан алдаагүй Тавик нийтгэлийг алдаагүй Тамирчны ялалт хямдхан алдаагүй Тавик нийтгэлийг алдаагүй Тамирчны ялалт хямдхан алдаагүй Тавик нийтгэлийг